In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve unexpected Boolean results in 3D modeling, a perplexing issue that often crops up when working with objects in software like Blender. To start, let's address an effective initial step, applying scale. What you want to do here is head over to Object Mode and select the object you're experiencing problems with. Once selected, pressing Ctrl and A together will present you with a myriad of transformation options. From these, choose All Transforms to reset its scale. This process can correct many mysterious issues related to Boolean operations. Now, let's move on to checking for and fixing normals. These determine which direction the faces of your 3D model are pointing, which is crucial for successful Boolean operations. Navigate to the Object Data Properties tab, and here enable face orientation in the viewport overlays. You should see areas of your model appear in different colors, blue for correct and red for problematic normals. The aim is to have all faces showing blue. If you spot any red ones during your inspection, switch over to Edit Mode and select these red faces. By pressing Shift and N, you can flip these abnormal faces to the correct side, turning them blue. Next up, it's important to ensure your cutter is clean. The object you're using as a cutting tool must be a cohesive, closed mesh. A manifold, to put it simply. Check that it doesn't have any holes. Should you find your cutter's geometry overlapping, select the cutter and press P. Then choose Buy Loose Parts to separate these intersecting areas. You will now need to apply the Boolean operation on these segments independently to achieve a clean cut. With that prepared, a quick tip is to adjust the order of your modifiers. Modifiers can drastically alter how Boolean operations are processed. If your object has multiple modifiers applied, experiment by dragging the Boolean modifier up or down in the stack. You might find that placing it after or before a subdivision surface modifier makes all the difference. Lastly, let's delve into changing the solver within the Boolean modifier settings. Here you have the option to toggle between fast and exact. While the fast solver might offer quicker results, the exact solver is often more adept at handling complex geometries and overlapping situations, though with the trade-off of being slower. Switching to exact can be particularly beneficial when other methods fail to resolve the issue. By following these steps diligently, you're more likely to tackle and fix unexpected Boolean results in your 3D modeling projects. Each of these techniques serves to refine the geometry, providing cleaner and more predictable results. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you encounter Boolean woes.